Ocean Lake School Waverider News. My name is Savannah. Today is Tuesday, September 22nd, 2020. Today is National Ice Cream Cone Day. Monday will still be an asynchronous or self-paced learning day with no live lessons. Tuesday through Friday will be regular lessons with face-to-face classes when your grade level is scheduled to return. Some special education students will be returning to classrooms on Tuesday, September 22nd. Pre-K, kindergarten, first, and second grade students will return on Tuesday, September 29th. Third, fourth, and fifth grade students will return on Tuesday, October 6th. So remember to charge those Chromebooks, bring them to school with you, get your coolest mask, and be ready to learn. Let's go, Waveriders!
On this day in history, in 1792, the French National Convention voted to abolish the monarchy. And also, in 1912, magician Harry Houdini first publicly performed his water torture cell trick at Circus Busch in Berlin. Lastly, in 1938, a hurricane struck parts of New York and New England, causing widespread damage and claiming 700 lives. This was all from me, Braden, today. Bye.
Today's virtual field trip is to the Monterey Bay Aquarium. With your parents' permission, go to www.montereybayaquarium.org/animal exhibits/live webcams.
Today's language of the week is Telugu. It is one of the 22 languages spoken in India. Telugu is mainly spoken in 2 states in South India. There are exactly 56 letters, including vowels and consonants. Here are a few phrases spoken in Telugu, then translated to English. Nuvu emi chestunavu? What are you doing? Nuvevaru? Who are you? Nuvu ekkidiki eltunavu? Where are you going?
I'm Kellen with Get Unplugged. Today I'll be teaching you how to make a homemade pair of binoculars. First, you'll need 2 toilet paper rolls or a paper towel roll. If you're using a paper towel roll, then you're going to need a pencil and some scissors. If you're not, then you don't need the pencil and scissors. If you do have a paper towel roll though, you're going to need to draw a circle around your paper towel roll, like that, and then you're going to want to cut it on the line. After you cut it, you're going to want to take a glue stick, and then you're going to want to put a few layers of glue on each toilet paper roll. Next, you're going to want to put those together and hold them there. You're also going to need 2 pieces of tape. If you can't get 2 pieces of tape, get just like 1 big piece of tape. Then you're going to want to put this across the line in the middle and then push it in. Now do the same thing on the other side. Then you can take some colored pencils and decorate it if you want to. Now you have a pair of binoculars.
Those are all the announcements for today. On behalf of all of us at the Waverider News, please be safe, stay healthy, and have fun. Please join us again on Thursday for another edition of the Waveriders News. Until then, have a ticklish Tuesday.